that's 5, so I put it in drive. And you can't catch me in my GTI, cause it stays too remap way too quick. Might take a bitch if she's looking for it. Good everyone, Dsgpantha here. Today I'm actually going through some more mods for the Fabia. As you all know, thank you to everyone that has been showing love to the Fabia project. Today is going to be a different type of video, so we're doing some mods to it, but not necessarily massive mods. So I have actually already done the front of it, which is why I'm showing you the back, because we're doing the back today. So I'll insert some clips in a minute. We actually put some new front grills in the front and also a number plate surround. It looks so much better. So I'll chuck that clip in now. You guys can watch that. It was recorded on my iPhone, but it's just because the camera was a big hassle to do. So yeah, you can watch that now, and then I'll come back to you guys and we can have a look at what we're doing today in this video. So guys, I thought I'd film this on the phone as it's a little bit easier. But yeah, so we've got both grills here. So here we've got, I believe, the bottom piece here. So that just slots onto this bit. As you can see, it's all open. So yeah, I'm gonna put that in. And then we've also got the number plate bit, which just clips in over this bit. So yeah, should go all on. Shout out to the boy that sold me these, because I've needed these drastically and they were stupid money from Skoda, as they say it, from Skoda main dealer. So yeah, handy that we managed to get these. I've managed to find a screwdriver. Let's get the first side off, hopefully. Oh god, yeah, that came off way too easily. And then we've got this side to do as well. I thought they would be a lot more corroded. Well, they are corroded, but a lot worse than that. And this should just come out. Oh, there we go. Gosh. So now we've got that off. If I actually go to the boot, show you guys. Actually, also this door doesn't open. Not sure why. But yeah, if I go in the boot, you guys shall see under all. So this is the original number plate. I'm also going to clear up the mats, get them in, but yeah, this is the original number plate. I'm going to probably just going to screw it on for now, but after I will get some Velcro tape and just tape it on, clear it all up, make it look all good. So I've got the grill in. Essentially all you have to do is literally put it sideways, slide it in, and then face it up, so how it is now, and then just pull back and it clips into these clips here. That needs tightening, there you go. It just clips in. So that's the grill done. Now we just need to get the number plate holder in, which I believe just clips into these bit here, and we're done. It's all lining up, and then yeah, we're just gonna push it. Is that the vibe we're going for? Pushy vibe. Done. Look at that. Oh, why does it look better already? Actually feels like I bought a complete car rather than just some ding dong. I mean, you did buy a ding dong, but actually looks like a proper car now. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's have a look what it looks like on the outside. Yeah, it looks much better now. I just need to put the number plate on. As I said, anyone who's got number plates that makes number plates, hit me up, DM me. Let's get some plates made up for the Fabia. Yeah, if I put this onto 0.5, you guys can get an idea of how much better it looks with this on the front. Otherwise it just looks naff. So yeah, let's put the number plate on, reverse it back, and you guys see what it looks like. So the front is all done. This can now go in the bin. Yeah, as you can see, number plate is on with Velcros. Yeah, as I said, if you guys do number plates or make number plates, please DM me. Let's get rid of this crappy plate. But yeah, the next part, I'm going to be taking these out and also the grill out and spraying them black, because yeah, it looks horrible at the moment. Guys, as you saw there, we've actually done the front grille, etc. It looks much better than it already did before. So today we're actually going to be doing the RS badge. Is going to be changing to black, which you can buy from DSG Mods, link in the description. And also we're going to be doing the gear knob, which needs changing ASAP, because yeah, it's all horrible. So we'll be doing them two today, and also obviously we've done the front grille and that, etc. as well. And then after today, it's going to be going off to VRS in Northampton. It's going to get all the suspension work done and also a couple of engine bits, and then we're going to get in the service done by Tom as well, because he does the Polo, so might as well do the Fabia. We might be doing it myself. I kind of want to do it myself, so if you want to see me do the oil service myself on the Fabia, let me know in the comments. It'd probably be a good learning curve for me to do it myself. Without further ado, let's do the rear badge first, and then we'll get into doing the gear knob second. So let's get into it.
Give me everything I need. Give me something I can feel.
Right guys, so here is the rear badge that we're going to be putting on Fabia. As I said, you can get these from DSG Mods, so it's literally just a 3M tape which we can stick on the back to replace the back one. I'm also going to be putting this in the car as well. I actually got this from Tia, so this will be going in the car as well, which says Ben Tenerife, so thank you. But yeah, we'll put that in the car as well. Yeah, so let's get the rear badge on, which literally just is a bit bigger than that one, but it should look better as it's, well, it's black and that should be back. So yeah, let's get on with that. Let's put this on and then we can do the disgusting gear knob. Right guys, so you get your Fabia badge like that. Essentially all you have to do is you just get this 3M tape, and it's kind of like cut out in the shape of the VRS. It's actually quite handy because I believe you then get some, like, yeah, there you go. So basically it's the shape of the VRS badge like that, so you guys can kind of see it's literally the same shape. So yeah, literally all you do, stick it on the back like that, and obviously now once we've done that, we just got to remove the badge on the rear, and then we can put this on. So it should be, so yeah, essentially you have this bit here, and then this 3M tape literally just needs to line up with everything on the back. So now that we've stuck that on, we can now essentially go and put this on the back. So let's go and do that. We also need a hair dryer and also some dental floss just to get the old badge off. Okay, cool. So we've got our dental floss. Now you just need a little bit. You don't even really need to warm up the badges if it's been in the sun, but my car has been in the sun all day. So yeah, we're going to get them off with the dental floss, and then we can just stick the badge where it was originally. So let's get into it.
I wanna get to know you better.
So you go, that is the original VRS badge, probably back from 2005. So it's quite cool. We'll keep that, but now we just need to get rid of this gluey stuff, and then we can put the new one on. Alright guys, so we've now got the rear badge on and also took the Fabia badge off. I don't know if everyone normally does that, but personally I think it looks so much better with just a VRS badge. You don't need people to know that it's a Fabia. It's pretty obvious it's a Fabia. Like the Polo doesn't have a Polo badge with the GTI badge, so yeah. Yeah, tell me that does not look 1,000 times better already. So we're slowly getting there. It's just these little bits that are going to slowly turn this Fabia into a sick little car. There's a lot more bits to do. Let's now jump inside because we're going to go and also fit the brand new gear stick. Well, it's a newer one than the one that's already in here, because this one is yeah, it's not the best condition for a Fabia one. So yeah, let's fit that. It should be a little bit easier as it's inside, then I'm not going to be sweating my arse off. But yeah, it's very hot today. I probably shouldn't have put jogging bottoms on. But yeah, I'm slowly getting there with the Fabia. I'm enjoying it. It's a cool little car. We just need to get the suspension work, then I can actually drive it. So yeah, let's get inside and let's do the gear knob, get that done, and then we can end the video there. Hi guys, so as you can see, here is the brand new gear knob. So this is going to replace this one. Now this one is a lot better condition. It's still been used, but it's much better condition. So let's get this one off and let's put the new one on. Guys, so we've now got the old one off, and it literally pings up so quick when it hits you in the head. So please, if you do this yourself, just be careful that it does pin up very quick, and I banged myself in the head. But yeah, so now we've got the new one. We're literally just gonna slide this on and then do this little Gatorade clip up. Just say Gatorade, Gator clip up, and yeah, then we're all done with the new one in, and old one. Ouch. So yeah, this should look much better anyway, it's a bit cleaner. We need a new steering wheel. If anyone has a steering wheel, please let me know. But yeah, let's get this in. Alright guys, we have now got the new gear knob in, and I can't lie, it looks so much better. As you can see, it just looks like a newer car. Like, it generally just feels like a newer car with that in. Once we get a new steering wheel, if anyone does have one for sale, please let me know. And also we need some new seats. But yeah, it just looks so much better with a nicer new gear knob. All the gears are there, all of them are like kept intact, and this is still original one, so it's not like an aftermarket one. This is fully original. Yeah, it just looks so much better. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video with the Fabia. It is slowly getting there, slowly but surely. We have got some more videos planned with the Fabia. If you want to see any content on the Fabia or the Polo, please let me know what stuff you want to see. The Polo is still here for a little bit. It should be until the end of the year, and then yeah, we've got some changes with the Polo, potentially a new car. I don't want to say too much, but yeah. So yeah, that is the Fabia video for today. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you are liked and subscribed and followed me on Instagram at Dsgpantha. Please keep enjoying these videos. As I have said previously, there is a massive Fabia meetup coming, hopefully before the end of the year. I want to do it before Christmas, so yeah, it'll be sick to get all the Fabia, all the trains out, you know, we do. But yeah, it'll be sick. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're almost at 10k, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video.
New RS5, so I pull it in drive, and you can't catch me in my GTI, cause it stays too remap way too quick. Might take a bitch if she looking fit. M140, so we're out here gliding, rear wheel drive, so you know that it's sliding. Straight pipe, let that B58 was backed up sunroof 5 door.